To renew driver's license online in Florida, first things first is access or open up any preferred web browser that you want to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and then on your search bar just simply type in Florida driver's license renewal. Now you'll be seeing multiple results in here, and all you have to do is to choose on renew or replace your Florida driver's license or ID card. And from here, you will be able to see specific prices on how much you will be paying or how much it's cost you to renew your driver's license online. If you wanted to have those information, then just go to for a list of fees to renew or replace credential, then just click on this link right here. Now, if you click on this link, there's going to be a bunch of prices for the processing fees and all for the transaction that you'll be doing online. Now, if you would like to renew it online, then all you have to do is to go to my DMV portal. And from here, you'll have to create an account first for you to be able to log in, and you'll just have to input your current or the expired license number that you have. So that's it. That's how you renew driver's license online in Florida.